How to make huge profits selling recipes online and by mail. Looking for your own niche online? How about recipes? There are so many keywords you can use in your advertising. There are so many affiliate products to offer your list of eager buyers. Food is a universal language that offers unlimited opportunities. But where do I start? I need my own info product or book. I need my own site. I need my own list of prospects and buyers, etc., etc. Your problems are solved. Not only does this site offer tons of ebooks that you can sell over and over again, you have access to ready-made web pages for each ebook and even a copy of this web page as well. Get started fast in the recipe business with this great collection. Everything you'll ever need is on the CD. Plus get our Revealing How to Make Money Selling Recipes report. The Ultimate Recipe Seller's Resource CD-ROM. It contains over 10,000 recipes that you can use as killer classified ads to build your huge opt-in list of red-hot cash buyers. Plus it's evergreen. Nothing ever changes in this niche except cookware products to sell. You get full reprint/resell rights to over 59 popular cookbooks in PDF format that can be printed out or sold in digital format. If you ever wanted your own instant $97 product to sell by mail and online, here it is. Plus, it's your product. You get to keep all the money too. If you ever wanted to grow your own profitable mailing list, this is a hot market. Dash the search volume online for recipes like salmon, Chinese food, etc. is large. There are endless keyword possibilities. Yes, you can make great money in the information publishing business selling recipes. On the actual recipe web page are hundreds of recipes to advertise with and make a huge profit on the back end by following up with big ticket related products like the TV pros do. Go here now for more information. woodultraprintwritesbiz.com/recipes